Good afternoon and welcome to beautiful Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Brian Tuttle with Carolina Aircraft, here today to show you one of our latest listings, this beautiful 2008 G36 November 8-4 Foxtrot Lima. You're going to love this one. Step in, let's have a closer look. November 8-4 Foxtrot Lima is a beautiful low-time G36. 2008 model. This is only 1,325 hours total time since new. One of the biggest pluses on this airplane is, as we zoom in here, you can see we've only got 5 hours on this factory Reman IO 550 engine. I'm not sure if you priced these lately, but this is a $65,000 engine from the factory. 5 hours since factory Reman. You can see great baffling system here. Also at the same time, the owner did overhaul the prop, so you've got 5 hours since prop overhaul and prop governor as well. As pilots, once we get our license, we always want to go higher, further, and faster. The G36 has 80 gallons of fuel, 74 of those usable. Now, this is around 172 to 175 knot airplane, and with this airplane you should get around 800 nautical miles downrange. The paint on November 8-4 Foxtrot Lima is in beautiful condition. This is Matterhorn white with black and platinum metallic striping. One of the many reasons that pilots will buy the A36 is for the big double cargo doors that you see here. Easy access in and out. One of the main features here is the versatility of the interior. You can see my middle seats are facing rearward. Those can also be turned around forward if you have passengers that don't want to fly backwards. Very simple to pull a couple of pins, turn those around. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes once you've done it a couple of times. Again, a lot of versatility here. Let's say I want to fold these seats up and have a little bit extra cargo space, but I need to keep my seats with me. Just a quick release there. The seats fold up and there's a latch that holds them in place. As we step inside November 8-4 Foxtrot Lima, you'll see the interior is in beautiful condition. We have beautiful tan leather seating here. You can see I've got my executive writing desk out. Cup holders up here if you need those. The windows are in beautiful condition. The headliner is in very good condition as well. We've got 6-place lighting, 6-place WeMax for fresh air. I've got a 6-place intercom system. In the rear here, I've got my own music control so I can listen to the music I want to. This is a very good way to travel. The instrument panel on November 8-4 Foxtrot Lima is the Garmin G1000. You have your high resolution PFD and MFD. You also have Garmin GTX 345. Now that has your ADS-B in and out along with your FIS-B weather. Garmin GDL69A, which has your subscription-based XM weather along with your XM music. Skywatch 497 active traffic system. You have your WX500 Stormscope and probably the best autopilot in the system with the Garmin GFC 700 flight control system. This has your altitude and vertical speed select along with built-in yaw damper. Other amenities that you'll enjoy on November 8-4 Foxtrot Lima include WAAS upgrade, Skywatch 497, factory air conditioning, Bose Limo plugs for the pilot and co-pilot, co-pilot braking system, passenger music input, standby alternator system, and much more. If you're in the market for a beautiful G36, give us a call. Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. Make arrangements to stop by and see November 8-4 Foxtrot Lima. This 2008 model only has 1,325 hours total time since new. We've got 5 hours on a factory Reman engine with full warranty, 5 hours on the prop. We've got G1000 Avionics, no damage history on this airplane. It's beautiful. Give us a call. Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Brian Tuttle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.